very proudly say that around 80% of players participating in the IPL, Indians or internationals, they all use the Shrey helmet. 10 out of 11 Indian team players, including Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Hardik Pandya, they all use Shrey helmet. MS Dhoni, he needs maybe a softer foam on the outside. Someone needs more cushioning. So it's customized according to what players ask for. I can say our helmet is the lightest helmet in cricket, and it is so far the strongest.
Hello everyone, you're watching True Scoop and I am Parina. So IPL is starting from tomorrow and we all know that IPL fever is on. So do let us know in the comment section that who's your favorite IPL team. Apart from that, have you ever thought that who makes the helmets for IPL players? Yes, it's none other than a company based in Jalandhar, Punjab named as Shrey Sports. So to know more about Shrey, we'll talk to the owner, but let me tell you that Shrey Sports is the top leading manufacturing company when it comes to the world of cricket helmets. So to know more about it, let's talk to the owner, Mr. Raghav Kohli. Hi sir, welcome you.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Okay, so I've introduced you to the viewers and I've shown them that you are the one making helmets for the players. So it's been for how many years?
It's been almost 15 years since we are making the helmets.
Okay.
But obviously for IPL, we are making the helmets since the time IPL has started.
Right.
So it's been quite a long journey and it has went well.
So, IPL is something really great. It's on an international level, I would say. So, making something for that brand, making something for them is a great achievement, right? And how did the journey start? Was it all your hard work or you had connections or something like that? Please, we want that you should tell.
To be honest, before I entered the business, my father started manufacturing helmets for an Australian brand.
Okay.
So I almost took it over. And obviously there has been a lot of hard work, research and development, meeting with the players, their feedback, a lot has gone into it to reach at this level. So at the moment I can very proudly say that around 80% of players participating in the IPL, Indians or internationals, they all use the Shrey helmet.
Wow.
So not only that, even 10 out of 11 Indian team players, including Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Hardik Pandya, they all use Shrey helmet.
That is really great.
Yeah.
How is the designing different this time? That's what I would like to know.
Designing is not different, but we have got a new technology from France. Basically, it's called Coroid,
Okay.
and it's used in aerospace.
Okay.
The best part about this technology is it keeps the helmet very cool and it's much more safer than what we have used in the past.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you know how humid and how warm it is in Dubai. So basically, when players will use this helmet, they won't be tilting their helmet again and again to remove the sweat. And there will be a lot lesser sweat on their heads. So yeah, I mean, this is something new. It's going this season only.
So was this your idea only?
Yeah, it was my idea because obviously we keep looking for the technologies we can implement in our product because it's our responsibility to make sure we provide these international players with something new every year. So we can't keep on giving them the same thing year on year. So we need to do this, yeah.
So Mr. Raghav, who decides the designing of it? What is the role of BCCI or ICC in this?
See, the only role BCCI and ICC have got is they make sure that any helmet used at international level is certified by British safety standards. Right. You must have seen the CE mark.
Right.
So they just make sure that. Other than that, if your helmet is approved, it depends on players which brand they want to go with. Okay. It should be comfortable, it should be lightweight, it should basically solve all the purposes. Yeah.
So the players try before, selecting the helmet?
Definitely, not only try, they use it in the nets for 2 weeks, 3 weeks before they actually use it in the game.
So designing is all your mind?
Yeah, it's a teamwork.
Obviously.
Yeah.
It's teamwork.
Yeah.
So do you customize helmets according to the players?
Yeah, definitely we do that. Not for a lot of players, but for the top level players like Obviously, Virat, for example, he needs a shiny visor. Hardik Pandya, he needs, he doesn't need this ear guard. Or MS Dhoni, he needs, maybe a softer foam on the outside. Someone needs more cushioning. So it's customized according to what players ask for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you met them?
Yeah, I've met them a lot of times.
Have they visited here?
Only Punjab players,
Okay.
Mandeep Singh and all,
Right.
but I wouldn't say Indian players, no.
So what is the speciality of Shrey helmet? Why players prefer this?
See, I think it will be better if you ask the players, to be honest. But I can say our helmet is the lightest helmet
Okay.
in cricket, and it is so far the strongest. So these players, they have tried other brands as well, but I think finally it looks like they have kind of settled with Shrey because they like the fit, they like the weight, and no one else gives such light helmet. Plus, it approves, it passes all the safety standards required
Okay. How much does a single helmet take?
to manufacture.
Yeah.
Approximately 10 to 12 days from scratch to packaging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, talking about the pandemic we are in, right? What has been the impact of this pandemic on business, on sports industry, first of all?
See, it's different actually. Some areas in sports industry have done very well. Like for example, there has been good sales of badminton rackets, carom boards, dumbbells. You know, all those games which people can play indoors. But game like cricket, we have had an effect, and we never thought so because in India, cricket is almost like a religion. You know, people follow it like a religion, and they play cricket all the time. But literally, from last 4 months, no one have been playing cricket. So has been an impact in our industry because we are related with cricket. But now it looks like because of the IPL, and that excitement and that boom is coming back.
Right. So this time IPL is in Dubai and not in India. Has this affected your business somehow?
See, this pandemic in the whole has affected our business, but obviously, if IPL was in India, I think it would have been much better. But because it is in Dubai, people will still watch it on TVs, and we are very hopeful it will bring out their excitement to play cricket again.
Right. So was there any inconvenience in terms of customs, if I talk about that?
Customs,
You had to deliver it there in Dubai.
no, actually, we delivered almost 90% of the helmets in India only
Okay.
to their Kolkata Knight Riders, we delivered in Kolkata. Mumbai Indians, we delivered in Mumbai. So they took it in their chartered planes, or howsoever they flew to Dubai, they took it themselves. But obviously there were some last minute requirements from some players, some adjustments needed. So we couriered them to Dubai. It was easy.
Okay. So how many helmets do each player use?
See, usually from last 7 to 8 years, they have asked one helmet for each player. But because of coronavirus, and obviously there is a new rule from ICC that if ball hits your helmet once, player is not allowed to use that helmet again. So this year they have asked for at least 3 helmets each player.
So thank you so much, Mr. Raghav. It was lovely being here, and we are really proud of the fact that helmets go from this place, from this city also. And we wish you very luck for the future endeavor. Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank
Keep
you.
watching True Scoop.
Thank you.